New tonight, Washingtonians struggling with problems with their electronics will have more ways to fix them soon. This after Governor Bob Ferguson signed the Right to Repair Act into law. KREM 2's Connor McAvoy is here now to tell us more about this law and what staff at a local repair shop is saying about it. Connor?
Well, Governor Bob Ferguson signing the Right to Repair Act into law will require electronic manufacturers to provide knowledge on how to repair their devices to the consumer as well as repair stores. William Hein's more than knowledgeable about different parts it takes to keep computers working.
Anything from Torx to Phillips to different Phillips, flatheads, hex nuts.
He spent the past few years working at Recycle Tech. It's a computer repair store with locations in Spokane and Spokane Valley. After 22 years of business, Hein says some of their services are limited.
We used to do more, but they've become so difficult to repair anymore, needing special software and tools.
But that could change for Hein and his customers with the new Right to Repair Act in Washington state. The law requires manufacturers to supply the right tools, parts, and documentation to consumers and repair businesses with the goal of fixing broken electronics instead of throwing them away. It also prevents the practice of parts pairing. That's where manufacturers lock certain parts of a device through its software that controls who can repair it. That new law takes effect starting in 2026 and is enforced for any electronic device sold in Washington after July 1st, 2021. That includes cell phones, tablets, and computers.
It's going to open up a lot more in terms of being able to repair stuff at home.
Hein says it will better serve the consumer as well as his business.
Having a baseline level of understanding of computers and how to fix them, or just electronics in general, it greatly reduces our workload.
A workload Hein says, while potentially lighter, won't stop a good amount of his customers from coming in and needing his knowledge.
They'd rather be doing their own work or hobbies. For me, it's a hobby, and for a lot of us, it is a hobby, and that's why we stay in it.
Now, many other states have their own versions of the Right to Repair Act in place, including in Oregon and Colorado. Washington state's goes into effect on January 1st. Connor McAvoy, KREM 2 News.